Ozzy, and I'm an artist at Imagination Design Studios. Today, I'm going to be showing you how we draw a rabbit in IDS style. So grab your materials and remember to pause if you need time to catch up. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. First, grab a paper and pencil and start by drawing a circle just a little bit below, not really in the middle of your page, because we need room for the bunny's ears later. So you can start fairly lightly and gradually darken your lines as you become more confident. Go. And next, draw a straight line just across and a horizontal line. This would be our guideline as to where the rabbit's eyes are going to be sitting. So for that, we start by drawing an oval shape just on top of the horizontal line. Make sure the distance is even, and then draw a smaller circle just inside that big circle. Same for the other side. Then draw a dark circle that you can color with your pencil, a smaller one just inside that bigger circle as well. There you go. You can choose to darken the top part of the eye to emphasize the eyelashes. Same for the other side. Go. And then draw the eyebrows just a little bit on top of it, and make sure it's not arched this way because he would look quite upset. So you draw the arch just slightly slanted like this. Next, we're drawing the cheeks. So you can draw two small circles just a little bit below the horizontal line, very lightly, and then on the side you can darken this just like a letter C, but then go all the way across down and connect it with the other side. This would serve as our bunny's cheeks. And now you have a chin. Yay! Next part is the muzzle. So you can start by also drawing a very light circle in the middle, because we're going to be erasing this later. This is just a guideline for us. And then you draw the nose by drawing a letter V just down here. And then you can also draw another line for the top of his nose. And then another one to connect the triangle. You can choose to shade this if you want. And for the mouth, just draw a W and then connect it in the middle. And make sure that W stays within this circle that we drew earlier. Oh. And darken that. And then you can draw a line like this on both sides to make him look happier. Next is for drawing the teeth. Start by drawing a straight line that's slightly angled towards the center line that we drew earlier. Do the same thing on the other side, and then connect these lines straight on. And draw another line just in the middle to separate this tooth. For the chin, just draw another curve to give him that You can start erasing the guidelines that we drew earlier, since we don't necessarily need that. Same for the circle on the other side. And to add a little bit of fur to our bunny's cheeks, you can also decide to draw a W. Same with how we drew it on our monkey video. And then erase. And then do it on the other side as well. And then you can erase this line here so you can emphasize the fur more. There you go, he's starting to have chubby cheeks. You can also add the tuft on the top part by drawing the number 3 and then just another curve like so. So number 3 and then yeah. And you can erase some of the guidelines to emphasize that fur. You can erase the straight line as well, so you don't need that anymore. There you go. And darken some of the lines that are important. Alright, now we're getting to the last important part of this piece, which is the rabbit ears. So you start by drawing a really long curved line going all the way to the top, and then slightly curve it downward like so, and then connect it down here. You can darken that line once you're confident and draw the exact shape but a smaller version just inside that ear. This is good for detail. You can also add another shape here for the fur. There you go. And then you can erase this line that we had here. Yay! You can do the exact same thing for the other ear, or you can choose to draw it curved like I will. So start by drawing a curved line just a little halfway, so halfway from the other ear. And then draw a curved horizontal line, and then another line going down, then another one here. So this would be the part that folds for his ear. And then you draw the last line and connect it to the head. There you go. Then draw the inside details and the fur. There you go. You can sign your name at the bottom. Don't forget, and then write the date. Thank you for following with our lesson today. We'd love to see your drawings, so either post them in the comments section or use the hashtag IDS Kids Club. We might even share your drawing for everyone to see. Keep requesting more drawings for me to do. Just leave a comment on social media and let us know what type of animal you would like to see us to draw. And don't forget to check out IDS Kid Club page where you'll find this drawing and many more that you can print off at home as well. You'll also find more drawing lessons there, so just visit www.idskids.com/kidsclub. Stay creative and keep healthy, everyone. And don't forget to stay a minimum of 6 feet away from people other than your family to help prevent the spread of germs. Thank you. Bye now.